Herring under a fur coat, Shuba, is a classic Russian layered salad made with herring, boiled vegetables, eggs, and mayonnaise. It has been a staple of Russian cuisine since the early 20th century, becoming especially popular during New Year's celebrations and holiday feasts. To make it, begin by boiling beets, potatoes, carrots, and eggs, then peel and grate them separately. Debone salted herring fillets and chop them into small pieces. In a shallow dish, layer the herring, followed by finely chopped onions, which can be soaked in vinegar to reduce sharpness, grated potatoes, grated carrots, mayonnaise, grated eggs, and finally, grated beets. Finish with another layer of mayonnaise and garnish with extra grated egg, beets, or fresh herbs like dill. Chill the salad for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight to let the flavors meld and the texture firm up. It is typically served cold as an appetizer or part of a larger meal, often accompanied by dark rye bread, pickled vegetables, smoked meats, or savory pastries like pierogi and blini. For beverages, try mors, a berry drink, ayran, a cool yogurt drink, or a sweet fruit compote, which balances the richness of the dish. Herring under a fur coat is a dish that brings people together during holidays, with its vibrant layers symbolizing the richness of Russian culinary tradition. The salad represents the beauty of diversity in Russian cuisine, where every ingredient plays a vital role in creating a harmonious festive dish. Как по маслу, like butter.